thought you said 9 o'clock. Sorry about that. Welcome to the Mullet Minute with Jake Hutchison. I am Jake Hutchison. A lot has happened in the past few weeks. May the 4th, Cinco de Mayo, and even Mother's Day. But the most important to rod builders was Arbor Day. The one day a year where rod builders around the world can argue with each other whether they should use a tape arbor, a poly arbor, or even a graphite arbor with no consequence. So thank you to all who participated this year and to those who commented almost every day under someone's Facebook post about the same topic. You are appreciated. David from the Mudhole Rod Builders Facebook group brought us these beautiful iron mating grips that he burned into the cork. Kellen Stesko is back. This guy never fails to amaze me. From his thread work to his color choices to his grips with acrylic in them, this guy does it all. Jarellis Jigs took this old G Loomis IMX, completely stripped it, but left the handle and the decal on, repainted it, and rebuilt it. Now some may ask, why not just build a whole new custom rod or buy a new rod? It's because rods like this are sentimental and you probably caught a ton of fish on them. You don't want to just get rid of it. You want to still fish it, but you want to give it new life. So you do what Jarellis did. And you're a rod builder, damn it! And that, folks, is what rod building is all about. Zachariah Clift from the Facebook group brings us this beautiful tuna weave, which kind of looks like the Southern Tide logo. Southern Tide, sponsor this man. On Lawrence Mikma's most recent order from Mudhole, he requested that we draw a tabby cat on the box. Our graphic designer Ryan just so happens to have a tabby cat, so he drew his tabby cat. When Lawrence got the box, he loved it so much that he called us back and asked if he could make a weave on the rod of the tabby cat. Of course we said yes, and this is what Lawrence came up with. Now for a new segment.
Rod Builder of the Month. You know what time it is.
This rod builder will be chosen by whoever makes the most unique outside of the box rod that's still clean and looks presentable. Now for what nobody's been waiting for, but only because you didn't know you could be waiting for it, but next month we'll do it again so you will know to be waiting for it and you will be waiting for it. The first Mudhole Mullet Minute Rod Builder of the Month goes to Mary McIntyre Christie. She made this incredible Dia de los Muertos sugar skull rod, and she kept us updated the whole entire time on her social media. Here was her inspiration, and the threads, she chose to match it. Now here was her first pass. Then in the next post, we see she cut the original wrap and rewrapped it with a few different color placements. Then she closed the wrap. Then she cut off the entire wrap. That is one of the reasons she is the Rod Builder of the Month. She had one tiny imperfection, a loose thread, that most rod builders wouldn't notice and no customer would ever notice. But she cut off 10 plus hours of work and planning just to redo it and make it 100% perfect. Mary, you got something special here. And here's the final wrap next to the inspiration. I believe it came out perfect. Not too many reds, just enough blues. What else could you want? But wait, there's more. She even added flowers to the center of each pass and dotted the center of each flower herself. All this thread talk's got me tangled up. Now, if you still don't believe that Mary McIntyre Christie of the Southern Rod Builders Group is worthy of the Mullet Minute Rod Builder of the Month, I don't know what to tell you. I don't even know how to follow that up, so I think we're just gonna have to go to the TikTok of the month. Drum roll, please. You're telling me this video of me throwing a Senko into the pond with a 12-inch blank with 15 guides on it got 239,467 views? Either I'm good at my job, or you guys pick weird videos to go viral. Guess we'll never know. Anyway, this has been the Mullet Minute with Jake Hutchison. I am Jake Hutchison.